Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle. Then on this fill color, we have the stroke color. In case this stroke value. Now I take line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Again, hold shift and draw another line. Now I need circle. Now this stroke color, pick up the fill color. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust the circle. Now select all and go to Object, Expand. Now take Shape Builder tool and cut unnecessary part. Select these portions, hold Alt plus Shift, copy, hold Shift, rotate and adjust top. Now copy, hold Shift and adjust perfectly. Now select this portion and press Delete. Now select all and take Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt and drag. Remove this portion. Here is our brand name. Now we need change the color for more attractive. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel.
Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.